My name is Aaron Parks, and I'm the president of Parks Insurance Agency. I am a person that is a very spiritual person. Always been one that enjoys helping people. The reason I started Parks Insurance Agency is because I have a desire to help people. My brother was formerly incarcerated, and when he came home, I was a child. I was still very impressionable at that time, and when he came home and he had all of these health issues and different things he was dealing with and struggling with in reintegrating into society, and seeing how if my mom and dad had not been there for him to provide that extra financial support to allow him to get the health that he needed, to allow him to be able to go to the doctor and do the things that he needed to do to put his life back together. I saw then as a child how important that is. And then when I became obviously an adult and got into the finance industry, and I found out about this amazing program for health insurance that allows people to get free health insurance, it came to me and it kind of clicked. And when that clicked, I knew that I was doing what I was supposed to be doing.
My name is Crystal Hall. I work for a company here in Rock Hill. I have 3 children. For years, our insurance just kept increasing and increasing and increasing. And it got to the point to where, you know, a lot of our employees couldn't afford it, including myself as a single mom. So we happened to hear about Aaron with Parks Insurance, and I invited him in to talk to him, and eventually we decided to go with him. About 6 months after getting the insurance through Parks Insurance, I was having some medical issues with my gallbladder, and they decided to take my gallbladder out, and so I went to register that morning, and the lady that registered me said $30. And I was like, what? And she's like, yeah, all you have to pay is $30 on an $8,000 surgery.
Meeting with Aaron at Parks Insurance really just from the beginning felt like meeting with a family member. Just really cared about what we needed out of our health insurance and helped us find a plan that was going to benefit my husband having cancer. We were able to get a low out-of-pocket max. It's just really taken the financial burden of my husband having cancer.
My name is Dr. Crystal Maxwell. I am a board-certified family medicine physician and the founder and CEO of Light Family Wellness, where I opened the first direct primary care practice in Indian Land, South Carolina. It's been an amazing experience working with Parks Insurance. He has made sure that my patients had insurance, talked to them in a timely manner, communicated with them, and provided them with needed services that they are now able to afford, some of their medications that they could not before, and some specialty care that they were not able to get before. An additional aspect that Parks Insurance provides is that they do health insurance benefits for employers as well. Parks Insurance is very well versed in being able to pair direct primary care practices along with employers to help reduce their overhead for their businesses, where they can turn that money back into their business.
The way we help business owners is just by driving costs down of doing business. We put these packages together for them to be able to offer major medical, life insurance, dental, vision, retirement accounts, short-term, long-term disability, all of these different things that normally that they would have to pay hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to be able to offer their employees. We're able to put that together for them and offer that to them, and it doesn't cost the business owners anything.
My name is Ryan Sanderson. I'm the CEO and one of the co-founders of Knowledge Perk, a coffee company based in the Carolinas. I'm not gonna lie, I thought there's no way in the world this guy can do what he is saying. Sat down, had a one-on-one with him, and I'll be dang, he could do every single thing that he said. It was a game changer for us being able to offer benefits to employees. It was amazing. It's not just insurance, it is truly a benefit package that can change people's lives. And it's so obvious when you're talking to Aaron that that's what Parks Insurance represents.
So I'm Mike Giddings. I'm the owner of Panther Heating and Cooling here in Rock Hill, and been in business now nearly 29 years and have about 25 employees. Aaron is able to actually give better benefits to our employees at a lesser cost than it was costing me as an employer. What I like about using Aaron and Parks Insurance is that he does the work for us. He really takes the burden off of me as a business owner and allows me to do what I do in my business and not worry about the insurance piece.
My name is Phil Davidson. I owned a business in Rock Hill called Always Best Care. So I was having a lot of trouble finding employees to work, and I was looking for a way to draw people in to work again. I wasn't offering health care insurance at that time to my employees, and the way that he described it, it sounded like something that I could take advantage of, and it really was. I was able to work with Aaron and offer health care insurance to my employees at little to no cost.
My name is Joanne Blackwell, and I'm with Awesome Look Society. I help men and women coming from incarceration. I teach at Kershaw Correctional, and then when they come into probation, we reacclimate back to society. One of the biggest things is the health issues when people come from incarceration and helping them get where they need to be health-wise.
Well, as a returning citizen, you getting back out, you getting out of jail, getting out of prison, getting back on your feet can be tough. This Parks Insurance is just opening up the door to help those individuals, like I used to be, that's getting out, returning sentences, to give them a second chance. Because a lot of people don't realize, a lot of people go back to jail because they can't afford their medicines. This insurance here is just so great, and it gives everybody a chance.
I like Parks Insurance because it benefits me, it benefits for other people too out there in the world. They really join them with them.
We do a lot as far as helping people that have just been released back into the community. We call them returning citizens because that's what they are. And the way that we assist them is we help them be able to have health insurance.
Just listening to what Aaron was doing for the community, it made me want to help. In life, most of the time, you're working for yourself. You're self-absorbed, and everything you're doing is for you and your family. And after seeing that what Aaron was doing for everybody else, I felt a strong desire to help.
I believe the biggest benefit to working with Parks Insurance is that you not only get insurance, you gain a family. We treat you as if you are one of our own, and we're there for you throughout the years as you add to your families, as you have changes financially. We're there for you in all ways. And I think that being insured is one thing, but being Parks insured is another. I want the legacy for Aaron Parks and Parks Insurance to be a legacy that helps people. That is all I care about, pure and simple. I want people to remember us by the fact that we helped and that we had the heart to help and we treated you like family. And that's what I want our legacy to be.